Welcome everybody to Makers of Bharat Pune chapter. And it's good to be in this city. I did my management from InSearch long back. A young guy from Odisha has come to Pune to do his MBA. And it's good to be back after 20 years to host an event in Pune, which is my city. I still happy to say that I'm a Pudekar. And I take this opportunity to thank Mr. Uday Narang to make sure that he is in the venue. Mr. Cosimo Chereda, before he being busy in Delhi and traveling around the country, but still he makes sure he is here. Mr. Hidayat, who was in Namma, Bengaluru, and thank you Hidayat sir to being on time. Mr. Sachin, Mr. Ravindra ji, who is my senior, and it's good to see my senior from InSearch. And before we start, and I wanted to start by asking our managing director, Ms. Preeti Mishra, to give the opening speech. A big round of applause for Preeti Mishra, ladies and gentlemen.
Good morning, everyone. It is a great honor and privilege to welcome you to the Pune edition of Makers of Bharat Multi-City Event 2026. On behalf of Meshmix Media and Dynamic Manufacturing India, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our guest of honor, Professor Dr. Prakash Mahanvankar, for gracing this occasion in his presence. A special welcome to our esteemed keynote speaker, Dr. Uday Narang, founder and chairman of Omega Seki Mobility, and Mr. Hidayat, executive director of Triumph India. Over the past few months, the Makers of Bharat journey has traveled across India, creating a vibrant platform for industry leaders, MSMEs, innovators, and manufacturing professionals to connect, collaborate, and share knowledge. The tremendous success of Belgavi and Hosur edition reaffirmed the strength, resilience, and potential of India's manufacturing ecosystem as it advances towards global leadership. Today's theme, Quality as a Competitive Advantage, elevating Indian manufacturing to global standards, could not be more relevant. As India accelerates its journey towards becoming a global manufacturing powerhouse, quality must evolve from being a compliance requirement to becoming a strategic business advantage. Organizations that embrace precision, innovation, sustainability, and continuous improvement will be best positioned to compete and succeed in global markets. We are privileged to have an exceptional panel of industry leaders with us today. I extend my sincere thanks to our moderator, Mr. Yogesh, and our distinguished panelists. I would also like to acknowledge our presentation partners and knowledge contributors, ExxonMobil India, Mapos India, Supply Point, QVI India, CMTI, Central Manufacturing Technology Institute, the Association of Manufacturing Technology, EcoDispose, and Kellenberger. Their commitment to advancing manufacturing excellence continues to create meaningful value for the industry. My sincere appreciation goes to all the sponsors, partners, speakers, delegates, industry associates, and the entire Meshmix Media team. As we continue this exciting journey, I'm delighted to announce that the next chapter of Makers of Bharat will be held at Radisson Blu on 17th of July 2026 in Ludhiana. We look forward to engaging with dynamic manufacturing community of Northern India and continue this important conversation that supports the vision of Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat. Makers of Bharat हा उपक्रम देशभरातील उद्योगांना एकत्र आणण्याचे आणि एकमेकांकडून शिकण्याचे एक व्यासपीठ आहे. आपण सर्वांना सहकार्यामुळे हा प्रवास अधिक यशस्वी होत आहे. पुन्हा एकदा सर्व मान्यवर व्यक्ती, प्रायोजक आणि उपस्थितांचे मनपूर्वक आभार. Thank you for joining us today. I wish you all an engaging, insightful, and productive event. Have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, Preeti. And before we formally begin today's proceeding, we would commence the traditional lamp lighting ceremony symbolizing wisdom, knowledge, positivity, and continuous pursuit of excellence. May I request our distinguished dignitaries to kindly be on stage. Professor Dr. Prakash A. Mahanwar, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Punyalok Ahilya Devi Holkar, Solapur University. Dr. Uday Narang, Founder and Chairman, Omega Seki Mobility. Mr. M. Hidayat, Executive Director, Trump India. Mr. Cosimo Chereda, Managing Director, Mapos India. Mr. Krishna Rathod, Scientist, CMTI, Central Manufacturing Technology Institute. And can we have our team? Preeti? Can we have a group photo? Thank you, esteemed dignitaries. As this lamp shines brightly, may it inspire new ideas, meaningful collaborations, and a shared commitment towards making India a globally respected manufacturing destination.